Tesla Cybertruck was involved in high-speed police pursuit. Delaware State Police arrested 41-year-old man for stealing a Tesla Cybertruck from a residence. The troopers responded to a resident's report of a stolen vehicle. Upon arriving, troopers learned the victim's 2024 Tesla Cybertruck with temporary New Jersey registration was stolen from his property by an unknown suspect. Troopers responded to the area where the victim's Tesla was tracking and located the occupied truck on a dirt path off of Pinecone Drive. However, before troopers could approach the truck, it fled toward Pinecone Drive. The Tesla disregarded all police signals and did not stop as it continued traveling on Pinecone Drive toward Brick Granary Road. After a brief pursuit, the Tesla came to a stop on Brick Granary Road, and the driver was taken into custody without incident.